Okay, hi guys. So I thought I'd do a little video of the issue that I'm having with the Supra at the moment. Seems to be a common problem, especially the age of the vehicle, that it makes on slow manoeuvrings, especially on full lock, it's starting to make like a clicking noise, predominantly on the driver's side. I did do a search on the forums, and although there was a lot of people suggesting obviously suspension arm bolts, subframe bolts, etc., there wasn't much feedback to say if it actually resolved the issue. So I'm going to, if this video posts up on the forum, that you'll know that this solved my issue. So what I was having was, when I was manoeuvring the vehicle, what I had to do is I drive it in forward and then do like a reverse turn. While manoeuvring, doing the full lock, I get like a sharp clicking noise on the driver's side, like a metal to metal. So jacked it up today, and I'll show you what I found, which was slightly loose, because I know some people are struggling a bit. So on my vehicle, this was loose, not loose, but needed nipping up. It definitely wasn't tight. And the same on the other side. So let me just, so the same on the other side, just there. Okay, everything else was tight. So this is top suspension arm there, that's tight. I've checked literally everything I could see. These were tight, and obviously that one there. These were actually tight. These two here, these just needed to be a little bit nipped up. So, and that was it on that side. I'll show you the other side. So, same again, really. It was, these were loose, these were tight, these top ones, but this suspension, this bolt here for the lower arm was loose, and same goes for the other side. Like I said, not, when I say loose, it needed to be tightened up. But I found on this side, these were actually, as well, needed to be nipped up. These were all tight, everything else was tight. All anti-roll bar suspension bushes seem to be all okay. Yeah, so I'm really hoping, that's resolved the issue. I really would like to do like a full restoration clean underneath here, because it's not good, but it's just time. But yeah, so hopefully this will resolve the issue. I'm going to put the wheels back on, give it a test drive, and fingers crossed, no more clicking noise. Cheers.